Hello everyone, welcome back to TechnoChart's YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about 5 stocks and their stage analysis and what are the next levels here. So the first stock that I'm going to talk about is DIXON Technology, and you can clearly see the stock is in stage 4 downtrend here, and there has been huge volume downside on the downside here, right? So firstly, I think that the stock is in stage 4 downtrend, and it is in no buy zone as of now. The next important levels that I see on the chart are around 2200 rupees or 2500 rupees, right? Now you should definitely avoid this stock after the stock had moved back into the stage 3 base. It gave a false breakout and then moved back into stage 4 here, right? The volume has been the highest, as you can clearly see. There has been volume spurt on this breakdown here, and the stock is forming continuously inside bars. So avoid this stock, and any kind of rise that you see till 3100 rupees should be used as a selling opportunity rather than entering again into this stock. And why? Because you see the stock had been taking multiple supports here, and now this support may act as a resistance in case of DIXON Technology. The second stock that I'm going to talk about is First Source Solution here. After the stock had entered into stage 4, you can clearly see after from 190 rupees the stock had fallen till 100 rupees, so almost a 50% drop. You can clearly see how stage changes from stage 4 to stage 1. After that, the stock had formed a accumulation period of around a year, not that much. If this accumulation would have been for 2 years, then this would have been much better. Now we see the stock has broken above the resistance area, and the relative strength currently is negative, but is soon going to turn positive here, right? Any kind of pullback till 117 to 115 rupees is kind of a buy opportunity with a stop loss obviously below 100 rupees. So you can keep a 10% stop loss in this case and hold the trend or hold the stock as long as the trend lasts here. Apart from that, the the third stock that I'm going to talk about is Tata Motors, one of the investor favorite stocks. Stock has been into stage 3 from a long period of time. There is no trend here, to be honest. And the stock is trading into a very wide range. One can keep a stop loss of 350 rupees or so for the long term holding. Until and unless it breaks 350 rupees, you can keep on holding it. And on the upper side, new entry can only be made above 520 rupees, right? If you want to pyramid in case of Tata Motors. Otherwise, you can just keep on holding this particular script, and just hope that the stock moves into either of the direction so that you can take a decision here, right? The fourth stock is Indiabull Housing Finance, and as you can clearly see, Indiabull Housing Finance is in stage 4 downtrend. I had made a video around 6 to 7 months ago also on this particular stock, and I had talked about how this stock is going to be in stage 4. Currently, I think that Indiabull Housing Finance is not going to make any kind of money in the coming future. Uh, for the investors that I'm talking about, the stock is going to stay sideways. You can note it down and you can come back to this. The stock is going to stay sideways uh, for the next 1 or 2 years, and the im- the only important level in this particular script is above 400 rupees. And if it once it goes above 400, then we can assume that the trend has reversed. Now you may think that, yeah, if the stock has already moved from 100 to 400 rupees, the stock has already given us 2x 3x returns, right? So you may miss that, but the 3x return is only for those people, those who are trying to bottom. For example, someone might have bought Indiabull Housing Finance in April 2020, thinking that he may hit 200 or 300 rupees. It may hit 300 rupees and he may make money. But you can clearly see the stock has been staying sideways only. And personally, I think that the stock is not going to make money in the coming future. The fifth stock that I'm going to talk about is DIVISLabs, one of the most investor favorite stocks, and where people have lost tons of money here. And I think you should definitely avoid the stock. The stock is now going to head towards. I had made a video on DIVISLabs. I'm going to share in the link. I'm going to share the link in the description and in the I button. You can watch in that video also. I talked about when when DIVISLabs had broken down below 4300 rupees. I had also made a video at 3500 rupees as well. Now I'm again making a video that the stock is uh, the stock is going to hit around 2400 rupees is the next level for Divis Lab, and if that also breaks, then probably 2200 rupees should be the next level, right? So these are the five stocks that you should be tracking. Almost the Dixon Tech is in stage 4, FSL is in stage 1, Tata Motors is in stage 3, IEX and DIVISLabs are in stage 4, basically, right? And personally, I think the stage 4 stocks are to be avoided and do not enter fresh, or if you are already holding, wait for bounces to exit, right? I hope you understood a lot about stage analysis, and if this video has added value to your trading, please like and subscribe to the channel.